Hi everyone, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur. We are back with our all new collections in little heavy. Today I'm going to give you collections for Rakhi, little heavy ones. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on 960-2265-888. I repeat, our one and only number on which we take orders is 960-2265-888. So let's start with our first design. This is our first design in Lehriya Muthra. Just see the handwork on the neck with original Gotapatti work. And this is original handwork. Georgette fabric. Inner is attached. See the plazo. This comes with this plazo pant with inner attached in the plazo also. And see the dupatta with this with Gota detailings. We have two designs in this, two different necks. Sizes are 40 to 46 and the price for both of these is 2595. Just the neck is different. Just have a look. This is one neck design and this is the second one. Only this much difference is there. Whosoever wants this one, so take the screenshot of this. Else take this one. Both the designs are very pretty. Both comes with the plazo pants. Sizes are 40 to 46 and the price for both is 2595 only. This is another design in Lehriya, Chanderi with see the handwork on the neck. This is in Chanderi fabric, Lehriya. Inner is attached, cotton lining attached. Cotton pants with this. And see the beautiful dupatta, heavy dupatta with this. Complete cutwork dupatta with this. See the dupatta. Very beautiful dupatta with this. We have two colors in this. One is this blue and second is this pink color. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price again is 2595 only. Now this is in pure muslin fabric with see the plastic mirror work on the neck with embroidery. See the little handwork on the complete kurta with this mirror work. Plastic mirror work all over on the kurta and see the cut work at the bottom of the kurta. See the designer suit. This comes with this kite cut pants. See the pants. This comes with this kite cut pants. See the beautiful sleeves with this crochet detailings and pure chiffon dupatta with this. See the dupatta. Complete dupatta with this detailings. In this we have two colors, pink and this yellow, bright yellow. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 3595. This is pure muslin, 3595 is the price. Now this is in jacquard fabric with see the handwork on the neck. This is original jacquard fabric with see the sequence work all over. See the work at the bottom. Little work on the sleeves. Just have a look at the fabric. This is the pant with this, with work on the pants also. And see the beautiful dupatta with this. Banarsi dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price for this is 3995. This is original jacquard suit for 3995. Just have a look at the dupatta. 3995 is the price. Now this is the design in organza fabric. Pure organza, very nice soft fabric with see the plastic mirror work on the neck with this patchwork and embroidery on the neck. See the patchwork at the bottom with cut work. Cotton inner attached. Muslin pants with this. And see the organza dupatta with this. This is the organza dupatta with cut work. The dupatta also is very nice in this. Sleeves are also very beautiful. Just have a look at the cut work sleeves. This is original organza fabric. We have two designs in this. One is this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 3195. And this is the second design in this. Just have a look. This is the neck. See the embroidery at the bottom with this crochet tailings. Pure organza fabric with cotton inner. This is the muslin pants with this. And see the cutwork dupatta with this. Cutwork dupatta with embroidery. Both the designs are very, very beautiful. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is the same, 3195. Now we have one more design in organza. See, this is this tilted shape. See the design. This is pure organza fabric with, see the patchwork and this katha work all over with the sequence work. This is patchwork with katha work on organza fabric. Cotton inner attached. This is the pants with this, muslin pants. So kurta, pants, see the sleeves with katha work. This is print with handwork and this katha work. And see the dupatta. Very nice printed, pure organza ka dupatta. Sizes are 40 to 44. No 38. 38 can be customized. Sizes available are 40 to 44 and the price is 3595. Only 3595 for this designer suit. Now I'll show you a few designs in cotton very quickly. This is original block print kurta with this handwork on the neck. This is original block print with, see the work on the sleeves. See the original fabric with this original block print and little sequence work at the bottom. Cotton inner attached. Pure cotton pants with this, cotton mull, and pure malmal dupatta with this, block print dupatta. In this, sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2795. 2795 is the price for this block print suit. We have two designs in this. One is this and second one is this in block print. See the embroidery and handwork on the neck. Little handwork all over. You can zoom and see. This is the handwork all over on original block print kurta. Pure cotton, cotton malmal lining attached, cotton pants, and see the mal dupatta with this. Block print dupatta on malmal. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price for this is 2495. 2495 is the price for this. Now this is another design in cotton. That was block print, this is screen print. With, see the handwork on the neck. See the crochet tailings at the bottom. This is little A-line kurta. Lilac color it is. See the little loose pants with this crochet tailings and cotton malmal dupatta with this. We have pockets on both the sides in this suit. I'll quickly show you the pockets also. We have pockets on both the sides. Like this. See. One is this lilac color and second is this blue color. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 1895. This is another design in cotton with this original handwork and embroidery, original mirror work. This is original mirrors and not plastic mirrors. Rahul, just zoom and show. This is original mirror work with embroidery. This is the print with this crochet tailings at the bottom. Melange pants with this, cotton melange pants with crochet tailings. And pure chiffon dupatta with these detailings. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2795 for this beautiful suit. Now this is another design in cotton with, see the crochet tailings on the neck, crochet tailings all over on the kurta at the bottom. This is pure cotton malmal with these cotton pants with embroidery and crochet tailings. See the embroidery on the pants. Beautiful embroidery on the pants with crochet tailings. These are plazo pants and not the proper pants. These are little plazo pants, loose, with this chiffon dupatta, pure chiffon dupatta. Sizes are 40 to 46. In this we have sizes from 40 to 46 and the price is only 2695. Now this is another design in cotton with see the embroidery and little handwork on the neck. With see the little pleats. We have given the pleats on this. This is cotton, little A-line suit with this crochet tailings at the bottom, crochet tailings on the sleeves, cotton pants with this, and cotton dupatta with this. This is patola print kurta and patola print dupatta, ikkat print dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795 only. One design in cotton leheria. See the crochet tailings with the embroidery, little handwork. These are the pleats in the center, both the sides pockets. See the sleeves with this organza and embroidery. This is a little A-line kurta. This is closed one. This is not open from the sides. This is A-line kurta. See the pants, cotton pants with this organza detailings and embroidery, and cotton dupatta with this. Cotton block print dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 46. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 2195. Again original block print kurtas. This is original block print kurta with little handwork on the neck. See the block print kurta. No inner attached. Lining is not required. This is the pant. So these are just kurta and pants. We have two colors in this. One is this yellow color. Have a look at the back. Second is this pink color. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 1095. Only 1095 is the price for these. Now this is another design in cotton with see the embroidery on the neck, embroidery all over. This is all embroidery. This is cotton flex material, very nice, doesn't fade. This is embroidery all over. This is the sleeves. And these are the pants with this katha stitching. Sizes are, this is also a two-piece. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is only 1495. Now I'll quickly show you quad sets. This is in muslin. See the pants. This is tapered from the top and little loose from the bottom. This is all embroidery. This is all embroidery. Just have a look in muslin fabric and this is the top. See the back. Front mein there are buttons and at the back is the embroidery. So very nice designer quad set. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2295 in muslin. Just have a look. Now this is a cotton quad set. Just have a look. This is pure cotton, very nice fabric with see the crochet tailings all over with little embroidery. See these tassels in the center. And this comes with this pants with this organza detailing and embroidery on that. So this is a quad set again. See the sleeves, designer sleeves. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2495. 2495 is the price for this designer quad set. This is another design in cotton quad set, shifly fabric with see the crochet tailings, organza fabric, this collar. Collar is with the organza fabric. Crochet, this is shifly fabric. See the organza detailings at the bottom. This is the pant with organza detailings. So this is just a kurta and a pants. This is a quad set. See the sleeves. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2495. Again 2495 is the price. Now this is another design in pure muslin fabric quad set. See the plazo. This is the plazo with these pockets. These are the pockets on both the sides. This is very nice soft fabric. You can say this is pure muslin, or even this is, you can call it a gajji silk type of fabric, as it is very soft. Very soft fabric. And this is the top for this. This is the plazo and this is the top with this chiffly fabric in the center. See the back. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 3295. We have two colors in this. One is this creamish white color. Second is this black color. See the plazo of the black. Pure muslin, inner attached. And this is another color. See the top for this. Full sleeves it is. See the sleeves, short style. Very smart piece. This is a very smart piece. I was wanting to wear this, but then because of Rakhi I had to wear a suit. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 3295. This is another design in cotton with, see the embroidery on the shoulder, crochet tailings in the center. These are the pants with this cut work in the pants. See the work on the pants, cut work with embroidery. See the designer sleeves with embroidery all over and handwork on the sleeves. Little gota work on the sleeves. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195 only. Now this is a organza kaftan, pure organza. See the very nice embroidery. This is a organza fabric kaftan. Inner is attached with this cotton inner. See the back. This is the back with embroidery on the top, at the bottom. See the front. This is the organza fabric kaftan with these muslin pants. Pants also there. Inner is attached with the kaftan. So very nice designer piece. 40 to 44 is the size and two colors. 2795 is the price. 40 to 44 is the size and 2795 is the price, and this is the second color. Just have a look. This is a openable button in the center and from here it is all closed. So this is a kaftan. We have more designs in kaftan to go. I'll show you. Now this is the skirt. Pure muslin fabric skirt. See the very nice designing and the color. Beautiful colors. This is the skirt and this is a peplum style top. All the brothers, please see this design. You all have to gift this to your sisters. Come on everyone, buy this one and gift it to your sisters. This is a peplum top. As I really love this one, even I'll ask my brother to buy this for me. This is a skirt and a peplum top. See the handwork at the bottom, handwork on the neck. This is a pochu style top. Sizes are 38 to 44. We have sizes from 38 to 44. And the price for this is only 2795. Pure muslin fabric, only 2795 is the price. Now this is another design in kaftan. In pure muslin fabric. See the handwork, zari work on the neck with sequence work. Sequence work and zari work on both the sides. Pure muslin fabric it is. See the coin work at the bottom. And this comes with this muslin pants. Very nice pants with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price for this is only 3295. Only 3295 for this beautiful kaftan suit. This is another design in pure muslin fabric kaftan with, see the original mirror work with this gota patti work on the neck. This is original mirror work. This is very nice pure muslin fabric kaftan. Just have a look at the print. The printing is also very nice. See the coin work at the bottom. And these are the muslin pants with this. We have colors also in this. Little different prints and colors. This is green color. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 2995. Pink color 38 to 46 and 2995 is the price. So these are the two prints in the same. Now this is another print and the neck is different. The print and the color is beautiful with this different neck with plastic mirror work on the neck. Pure muslin, very nice soft fabric. Coin work at the bottom and pure muslin pants with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is the same, 2995. Now three designs and tops I'll show you. This is a very nice pure muslin fabric top. Very nice. You can say it is a crepe fabric. Very nice fabric. Organza, pure organza. Sorry, this is pure organza. Soft, pure organza fabric top with see the Parsi work. This is all Parsi embroidery. Just see the beautiful embroidery on the top. This is all embroidered and not the print. This is all embroidery on the top. At the bottom is the print. Buttons in the center. We have got this inner also with this. Cotton inner. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2495. Full sleeves. Embroidery there on the sleeves. And embroidery at the back. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 2495. We have two designs in this. This is the second design. Pure organza. See this embroidery. Embroidery at the bottom. All over is the embroidery. See the very nice designer sleeves with embroidery. And at the back also is the embroidery. And we have inner also with this. Cotton inner. 38 to 44 and 2595 is the price. Now this is in cotton fabric, peplum top. This is just a top in cotton. Very nice. This also the brothers can buy and gift it to the sisters. 38 to 44 and 1295 is the price. See the beautiful print. 38 to 44 and 1295 is the price. Now this is another design in top with this embroidery on the sleeves. Just see the embroidery. In this we have sizes from 36 to 42. In this we have sizes from 36 to 42 and the price is again 1295. This is another design in a top, stripes top. See the embroidery on the sleeves. Embroidery all over. Two colors in this, yellow and blue. See the sleeves with embroidery. 38 to 44 is the size and only 1495 is the price. One design in dress. See this dress with this embroidery at the top. This is in cotton malmal fabric. See the embroidery at the bottom. Back also is embroidered. See the sleeves. Embroidered sleeves, designer ones. Pleats in the front and embroidery at the back. See, this is a beautiful dress. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is only 2195. Now I'll quickly show you three designs in anarkali. See this red color anarkali. For Karwa Chauth you all can buy. For Tej also, after Rakhi is Tej. So this is a red color suit for Tej. See the handwork at the neck, at the bottom. See the flare. It has not got this in the center, that pleats. सब लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं बीच में प्लीट्स वाला नहीं चाहिए. इसमें कलियां हैं पूरी ऊपर से. Kalis from the top. See the sleeves. This is a silk fabric kurta with this work on the sleeves, on the bottom, on the neck. Inner is attached. So this is just a gown and the dupatta. This is the Banarsi dupatta with this. Banarsi full dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 3495. Only 3495 is the price. This is a regular hot selling item. Inner attached kurta with this chinon kurta at the top. Original mirror work with this gotapatti work. This is the bottom, malmal bottom. This is attached one piece. flary suit, attached one piece. Inner is attached in this. And see the pure chiffon dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 4295. We have 4 prints in this. One is this white in chinon. Second is this one in muslin. See the work. Work is different in all. Original mirror work with this hand work. Gotapatti work in the center. Pure muslin sleeves. Malmal bottom. This is attached suit with this dupatta. See the back. Print is there at the back and see the flare. Full flared suit. Anarkali. Sizes are 38 to 46 and the price is 4295. Sorry. 4295. This is the third design in grey color. You just have a look at the work. See the neck. Original mirror work on the neck. See the sleeves, pure muslin fabric and pure chiffon dupatta with this. And fourth is this red one. Again you all can buy for Karwa Chauth or Teej. Also for Rakhi. See the work, original mirror work with embroidery, sequence work, malmal inner attached. Pure chiffon dupatta. Sizes are 38 to 46 in all and 4295 is the price. Now 3 designs in Sharara and then we'll end up with the video. This is a silk fabric kurta. See the work. This is all work. This is pure chinon fabric with this work all over on the kurta. Inner is attached. This comes with this plazo with cut work bottom and work all over. Inner is attached with the plazo. So this is a kurta and the plazo. And see the cut work dupatta with this. Very nice design. Heavy suit for Rakhi if you like. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price is 3995 only. Only 3995 is the price for this suit. Now this is in cotton kurta with this original mirror work and embroidery with this embroidery all over with gotapatti work. Cut work bottom, original mirror work. Inner is attached. This comes with this. This comes with this sharara with embroidery. Cotton inner attached. And see the cotton dupatta with embroidery. Sizes are 40 to 44 and 2895 is the price. This comes with this bell sleeves. This comes with this bell sleeves with original mirror work. And at the end, the one I'm wearing, we have 3 prints in this heavy suits. This is our hot selling item. We have been selling it since last 2 years. 2 years back also I showed you this design and still now we are selling. So this is the hot selling item of our store. So one print is this in there. This is sleeveless kurta. We have got the sleeves also. इसमें सबको सब pieces के साथ sleeves मिलेगी. Sleeves are there. If you want, you can get it attached. So this is the kurta with complete gotapatti work. Have a look at the kurta and this comes with this. The sharara is fully flared. This is the kurta with this sharara. The shararas are fully flared. Just see the flare of the sharara. And this comes with this organza dupatta. This is the organza dupatta with this. Sizes are 38 to 44 and the price for this is 3295. We have 3 prints, 3 colors. This is pink. Second is this yellow. See the flare of the yellow with gotapatti work all over. See the gotapatti work at the bottom, in the center, on the side slits with beads work. And this is the dupatta for this, multicolored for the yellow one. And the last one is the one I'm wearing. Just have a look at the sharara. I'll post the photos also along with this. My complete look. Just have a look. See the look. This is the kurta, this is the sharara. And the dupatta is organza. Sizes are 38 to 46, 44, sorry, 38 to 44 is the size. Sleeves are there inside, you can get it attached. And the price is only 3295. So please book as soon as possible. Thank you so much everyone.